Hi guys, this is Varun here, and today I'm going to talk about deploying your own API in lightning quick manner. Back when I began with backend development, I used to be very intimidated on how to deploy an API and how to manage my resources. But these days, it's very easy. Now.sh is a great tool. I highly recommend you to give it a go. Uh, it's you can basically develop, preview, ship within 15 seconds. And it's for static Jamstack deployment, serverless functions, and global CDNs. It's absolutely brilliant. And if you don't have it, then you can just go to just you can just type in your terminal npm-ig now and just follow the steps and it'll be configured. So today we are going to create a random code service that is an API, an endpoint, which when you hit, you'll be returned with a random code. So without any wasting any more time, let's get into it. I have this API codes folder over here with an index.js file. Let's initialize my npm. npm init y answers all those irritating questions for you. If you That's just a dash y flag. Here's my package.json file, and now I'll get um, node express and node express, and that's pretty much it. Maybe I can also get nodemon, but nodemon is a great thing that keeps running your server, and as soon as you make any changes to your index file, you don't need to restart it. You can just it'll just automatically fire for you. So we'll also install that right now. Just let's just give this a couple of seconds. Yep, you're done. And also let me get nodemon. I should have got that earlier. Anyway, all right. Till then, let's just uh, require express and require express and oh no, it doesn't like what we are typing. hmm what did it say? Expected any. Ah, so stupid typo. All right, so now we have that. Let's just make sure that we are listening on the correct port. Let's deploy it on 3000. Let's deploy the server first locally and type console.log listening on 3000. Yeah, trivial stuff, but we need to get it out of the way. And also, we'll just put a start script so that it makes our life a little bit easier with nodemon index.js. So whenever we type npm start now, it'll just automatically run it. So npm start, there you go. Listening to, it works, it works. Brilliant. Now quickly, we'll just make sure that we can actually hit it. So we'll just try to get some response from a server when we open it in a browser. So we'll have a request response, and then we'll quickly send welcome to the random code machine. just for laughs. So now when you go to a browser, it has a nodemon automatically restarts it, and so you don't need to save and restart, close your server and restart it. So now you just when you visit localhost 3000, there you go. You should see that. Welcome to random code machine. Brilliant. Now you're kicking. Let's quickly. I have this 10 array of 10 codes arranged over here. So let's just put it right over there. And now just try to let's create a quotes endpoint on our server. And let's apply it, what do you say, a random. Let's make it randomized, right? So let me declare a constant I, which will be random, and it will generate or take the values at random. It will generate values at random from 0 to 9 because our array is of size 10. And let's just send it back, right? Let's just send a quote back when someone hits it, and with quotes I. Brilliant. Now let's do a quick test. Localhost to 3000 quotes. There you go. Aha, perfect. It's generating random quotes. There you go. Now let's deploy it, right? So it's that simple, right? You just now that's it. It'll do its magic now. You just answer some questions. Let's stop API codes. You want to deploy this? Yes. And One word, yes, that's me. My profile is set up. Uh, there's one step actually which we forgot to do. We'll do it right now after it. Searching for existing projects. Link to existing projects. No, I just want to. This is a new project. Yep, API codes is my project name. Yeah, it's located in this directory itself. Setting up our project. No, I trust you with the settings that you've put in. And yeah, there you go. I think we have got a link. Ooh, this doesn't look nice. Okay, why delta now.sh. And now when you go to this link, you'll think, oh, what? It's showing me my code. This is not right. Uh, if I do codes over here, then that's not the API that I want for. It's 404. So the trick is with now 2.0, you need a JSON file for this. And I'm going to paste it right over here. It just has the version, which is now we are using now 2, version 2. So the version, the name, I think name, we don't require the name as such. What is important is builds and to cover all the roots. Uh, all the roots are covered through this thing over here to / dot star and index.js as a destination. Use the node server that you have, and our file is index.js, which has all the logic. That is what it'll use for build. So now, with this file in place, when we do now, we should see some positive results now. Let's just let's see what it gives us. I know the name is not pretty, but let's do something about the name, shall we? Yeah, we'll do something about the name. Inspecting. If you take out the time it takes to actually deploy it, then it will be a much shorter video. Oh no, it's given us a better name, but it's just for preview. And the current one we had open was Pro for prod. There you go. Why now it works? Perfect. Now we are getting this, and we can just deploy it to the production level. That is the URL we were seeing it earlier. That's delta now.sh. Ta-da! Here you go. A random quote ready to be consumed, an API ready to be consumed at your will. Perfect. Now I'll just show you how to name it a little bit better so it looks better in your project. So, why? That's a horrible name. Let's do something about this. If you can also throw it to the terminal, but I just like to do it over here. It gives you a lot of options to actually set your domain, so you can just edit it. Uh, what do you want to call it, huh? Mm, API codes. Will that work? Perfect. API codes now.sh/codes ready to be consumed. Perfect, isn't it? You can go through you can integrate it with Git. You can do a lot of stuff. But there you go, and a fully functional API which returns your random code in under 7, 8, 9. I don't know how many minutes. It should have been much lesser, but it's my first video. All right, cheers, guys. If you have any questions, do let me know. Thanks a lot.